Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make coconut Lagan or Lagan Coco, which is basically just a coconut cake with just a little touch of semolina in it. So first of all you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and then grease a 9 by 13 glass dish with butter. Just grease it very nicely so the cake doesn't stick. And then for the ingredient, we are going to use eggs, desiccated coconut or coconut powder, semolina, sugar. This is ground cardamom, freshly ground, a can of condensed milk, a can of coconut milk, some melted butter, and some whole milk. So to begin, I'm gonna just crack the egg into this big bowl. We are going to mix everything in this big bowl. Add sugar, and then we are going to use a hand whisk, and we're just gonna beat the egg and the sugar together for about a minute. Add the melted butter, condensed milk, add coconut milk. Please use a good quality of coconut milk for this recipe. And then we're gonna add the milk, and then we're just gonna mix everything together. Add the cardamom powder, semolina, and the desiccated coconut. Now we're gonna mix just until combined. And our butter is looking good. This is a consistency that you are looking for. Smell is so good. It's just coconut here. Okay, so now we are going to pour all of this in the grease glass dish, and this is going to go bake in my preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit. Let it bake. It's gonna take about 40 to 50 minutes, and then I'll show you how it looks like. And my coconut Lagan, my Lagan Coco has been baked, and it took me exactly 40 minutes. And again, the kitchen again is smelling so good, coconutty. Okay, so let's just cut it. Actually, no, I don't need to do that. Let me just cut it, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like in the middle. And this is how our Lagan Coco looks like in the middle. I just wanna add some coconut on top, which is optional. You can just don't add it or add it. I'm definitely going to add it. Or you can also take a piece and just dip the whole thing in the coconut. You can also do this, or you can just sprinkle the coconut on top of them, just like that. And let's give it a try. I'm just gonna grab this edge and let's bite on it. Smell and taste is coconutty, and the little fresh ground cardamom that's inside is also playing a big role here, and the good coconut milk. Written ingredients will be down below in the description box. Hope you like this video. I will see you next time. Bye.